going to blow a motor. So would somebody help push this guy?
This is the Concours des Le Mondes, which is the celebration of the truly awful, oddball, and mundane cars of the world. What we are about to do is we are going to hand out these awards. The cars are going to come through here. Hopefully they come through here and just keep going, just right on out. Okay, so our first award, bring it on up, sir. It is Steve Mandel and his 1973 KV Mini 1 from Claremont, California. It has a proprietary two-stroke engine in the back, and the wheels are driven by stone discs. They're grinding discs that friction drive the rear wheels.